Portable Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Switch Machine. First, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. After the screen lights up, wait for the device to complete its self-test. After the equipment self-inspection is completed, enter the main interface of the system. It's done when you turn it on. Turn off the device. Press the power button for a long time until the screen goes out and the shutdown is complete. Method 2. In the drop-down menu of the main interface of the system, select the shutdown icon. Then click Confirm, and the screen goes out to complete the shutdown. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide. Enter the System menu. After booting and entering the main interface, select the Settings icon in the slide-down menu. Then select User Login. Select the Edit icon in the pop-up interface. Enter the password for OneSouth. Enter Completed and click Confirm. Other settings can be made after login is completed. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide 0 Settings. After entering the System menu, select Enter 0 Settings. Click the left and right icons to switch the gas channel. After selecting the gas channel, after the current value stabilizes, click the Save icon to complete the 0 setting. Click the Close icon to return to the System menu interface. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Channel Settings. After entering the System menu, select Entry Channel Settings. Swipe left or right at the bottom of the screen to select the gas channel. Click the gas channel switch to close or open the gas channel. Select the channel name to change the gas channel name. Select the range setting to adjust the range unit of the gas channel. Select the Save icon to save the settings. After saving, click the Homepage icon to return to the System menu interface. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Alarm Recording. After entering the System menu, select Enter Alarm Record. Swipe left or right on the arrow keys at the bottom of the screen. To turn the page to the alarm record, click the Delete icon to delete the alarm record. Select the Print icon to print the alarm record. Click the Homepage icon to return to the System menu. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide. After entering the System menu, select Enter Date Settings. After entering, you can set the year, month, day, hour, and second. Up and down fluctuation date numbers can be set. Click the Save icon to save and return to the System menu. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Restore Factory Settings. After entering the System menu, select Factory Resume. Click Confirm to complete the factory reset. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Real-Time Graph. On the main interface of gas detection, swipe the gas channel icon left. Click on the curve icon to enter the gas real-time curve. Click the Homepage icon to return to the main interface of gas detection. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Pull-Down Menu. On the main interface of gas detection, swipe down the outgoing menu on the screen. The backlight brightness can be adjusted in the slide-down menu. Volume intensity. Pumping function turned off or on. To ring, vibrate, or mute. Switch between Chinese and English. Range unit switching and other functions. Pump Section 6-in-1 Gas Detector Operation Guide Alarm Settings. In the slide-down menu, click to enter the alarm settings. Swipe left and right at the bottom of the screen to switch the gas channel. Click the icon in the left and right directions of the high and low alarm values. to adjust the size of the alarm value. Click the Save icon to save the settings. Click the homepage icon to return to the main interface of gas detection.